Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add photos on Uber Eats profile. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and type in ubereats.com in it. Make sure that you're signed into your Uber Eats account as well. Once you are logged into your account, click on the menu button at the top left-hand corner. Now click Manage Account. Click on your profile picture under Account Info, and in order to update your photo or add a photo, click on Contact Support. Go through the information first. Your profile picture can only be uploaded if your appearance has changed, making you unrecognizable, such as significant weight change, facial deformation, medical condition, plastic or cosmetic surgery. If your appearance has changed since taking your original photo, you will need to fill in some of the information in this page. Choose an answer and type it down for the particular questions displayed on the screen. And click on Submit. Once you've submitted it, click on OK and you will receive your message regarding your profile change. Wait for the message from Uber Eats and you will need to follow through the instruction once you do. So that is how you will be able to update or add a profile photo on Uber Eats. That is the only way you will be able to do so, since Uber Eats currently does not allow users to add profile picture itself. You will just need to contact help and submit a review just like I showed on the video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.